Welcome to the fundamentals of cricket swing bowling. Swing bowling is a technique where the bowler makes the cricket ball deviate sideways as it travels through the air. The key to swing is the seam position. Conventional swing requires the seam to be angled. For outswing, the seam is angled towards slip with the shiny side facing the batsman. For inswing, the seam is angled towards leg slip with the rough side facing the batsman. Let's understand the science behind swing. The science behind swing involves air pressure differences created by the ball's condition and seam orientation. Now let's look at how bowlers grip the ball for swing. Bowlers grip the ball with the seam upright between index and middle fingers, with thumb and other fingers positioned to control the release. Finally, let's look at the proper wrist position at release. For outswing, the wrist is cocked back at release. For inswing, the wrist is rolled over slightly at release. These fundamentals of cricket swing bowling provide the foundation for mastering this effective technique. Reverse swing is an advanced technique that occurs with an older ball, typically after 40 overs of play. Unlike conventional swing, where the ball moves in the direction of the seam, reverse swing causes the ball to move in the opposite direction. Reverse swing requires higher bowling speeds, typically 85 miles per hour or more, and works best with a semi-rough ball. Weather and pitch conditions significantly impact swing bowling. Humid and overcast conditions enhance the swing by allowing the ball to move more through the air, while dry, sunny conditions reduce the swing effect, resulting in minimal movement. The type of cricket ball used also influences swing bowling effectiveness. The Duke's ball, used primarily in England, has a more pronounced seam, which helps it swing more compared to other balls. The Kookaburra ball, used in Australia and many other countries, has a flatter seam and offers less swing. The SG ball, used primarily in India, tends to wear quickly in dry conditions, making it effective for spin bowling. Proper ball maintenance is crucial for effective swing bowling. Bowlers maintain the ball by keeping one side shiny, while allowing the other side to roughen naturally. There are specific legal techniques for ball maintenance that bowlers must follow to avoid penalties. Let's look at some famous swing bowlers who have mastered these techniques. James Anderson from England is considered the master of conventional swing bowling and can effectively use swing in all conditions. Dale Steyn from South Africa combined high pace with late swing to become one of the most feared fast bowlers. Wasim Akram from Pakistan was a pioneer of reverse swing bowling, using it to devastating effect throughout his career. These bowlers adapted their techniques to different conditions and ball types, showcasing the art and science of swing bowling at the highest level.